Most people think that they are getting rejected in the interviews because of lack of skills. But the real problem is their resumes. Today, I'll show you a tool that can help you build a professional resume in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Data with Tejas. Today, if you are applying for jobs in data analytics, SQL, Power BI, or any other IT role, your resume is the first thing recruiters see. But many candidates make mistakes like poor formatting, missing keywords, unprofessional layout. So today I'll show you a resume builder tool inside Naukri Pro which makes this process extremely simple. Problem is like, okay, if I say when students assign me the resumes for review, I see or I notice few common mistakes or common problems. Resume looks very basic. There is nothing exciting in the resume. There is nothing fancy which I can see and I can get attracted to. Important skills are not highlighted at all. So if I see the resume and I see that, okay, if you're looking for a Power BI role or if you're looking for a SQL developer role or whatever the role is, those skills must be highlighted in your resume. So that is not there in the resumes. Third point is not optimized for recruiters. For recruiters, the resume is not optimized particularly, so they can't figure it out that what exactly you are looking for in the job description. So, and because of that, even good candidates don't get interview calls. So this is the reality, and there is a problem, right? So we need to solve the problem, and this is where a resume builder tool becomes really helpful. So recently I was exploring some features inside Naukri Pro and I found their resume builder which actually simplifies the entire process. First you log into your Naukri account. Then inside Naukri Pro you can access the resume builder section. Now how to go there? You're in on Naukri 360. You can see Naukri Pro. You can see Resume Pro option also there. So in the Resume Pro, if I click on this, I'll land up here. It will show my name and it will also allow me to create a resume. If I click on the create resume section here, let's see what happens. Now here you can add up all the personal details of yours. You can add your personal professional summary. You can add your education. You can add your work experience, whatever companies you worked in, your skills, whatever skills you have, the projects you worked on, your internships, your certifications, whatever you had so far, any website, any social media, whatever my profile, LinkedIn profile I have mentioned over there. And then you can see the languages and everything out there. Now, okay, what if I'm filling these details in here? Like what is the use of this, right? So each and every section whatever I see here is nothing but helping me to create a resume and in just few of minutes. Like I don't need to create a Word document, I don't need to go to any other tool or any website or something like that, and just Naukri Pro subscription is helping me to create a resume within few minutes with the proper structure and proper manner. And you can see the particular resume preview here as well. So if you expand this and you see that, okay, this is what you see here as a resume, so this is beautiful, you can see your resume out here. If you want to download your resume, you can download your resume by just clicking on the download button over here after checking your preview of your resume. Isn't it simple? I can create my resume very simply. I can download my resume very simply out here. Now in this Naukri Pro, in the Resume Pro subscription, I would say, or in the Resume Pro feature, I would say, whatever details you feel here, like I need an AI assistance out there, so write with AI. That feature is also there in the Naukri Pro subscription out there. So I was just amazed to see this, that okay, if I want to change the text, I don't have to go to any AI tool, any GPT or something, and then I am just going there and just searching something and then copy pasting the things. No, not required. Because here in the professional summary you get the automatic button here for AI powered with write with AI section. So here in the section itself, whatever you're writing here, whatever the context is, whatever the content is, you can change it with the AI as well. So AI can help you changing the content in the better manner which will be suitable for your resume. Isn't it fascinating that your work details, your internships, your certifications, your languages, your social media links like LinkedIn or something, so that also you can add up here. If you have GitHub project link, that GitHub project link also you can add up here. I really loved about this is like you can download this resume within few seconds. You just click on the download button and it will be downloaded in your personal computer. So that's the best part about it. You don't have to worry about like, is the space correct, is the content correct? No, I mean, you don't have to worry about it because AI is also there which is helping you within the tool, within the feature. You can also preview the resume instantly. Once done, you can simply download the resume and update it on the Naukri profile as well, right? So Why is this useful? Because in my personal opinion, in my personal view, I see that I feel that this is very useful or helpful, especially for freshers who really don't know how to create a professional formatted resume. Even people who are switching jobs, professionals updating their resumes. I see many of the times the professionals who are working in the IT industry as well, they don't know how to make a professional resume. I think this will definitely help them because this is now a very perfect format, the professional format. Big tip from my experience as a mentor: always make sure your resume includes relevant skills, projects, and the measurable achievements. Like you should have some good achievements to showcase. In that way, your project should be good enough to showcase there. So this significantly increases your chances of getting shortlisted by recruiters. So if you're currently applying for jobs, definitely focus on creating a clean and professional resume. You can explore the resume builder feature in Naukri Pro and see how it helps you structure your resume better. And if you want to know more about it, how to crack data analyst or SQL interviews, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Learn Data with Tejas. See you into the next video.